Welcome to the BotJok Community. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at our communication platforms and show you how to get started. In the top left-hand corner, you can see how we have our BotJok Community. We have some options under here, and the primary one you're going to want to know is notifications. Notifications is where all of our notifications will be sent to you if we go live, or if we are inviting you something, or if you're mentioned anywhere in the community, it will pop up on this notifications. Under the Getting Started tab, you can click on Community Tutorial. This has a nice paragraph that will get you started. Down below that one, New Trader, Start Here. This is where you're going to find all of your contents welcoming you to BotJok. You're going to click on your New Trader, Start Here. When you hit See More, it will open up the array of tools that we use. Some quick links in here to help you kind of identify where to go within the trading community. Our BotJok admin team, you will have all of the introductions here as far as who is on our admin team and working with you within the community, so you know who to contact directly if you have questions. If you do have questions, you can reach out to us by clicking Contact Us. In the Contact Us, we have our email in here. These are hyperlinks that will take you directly to it. Guidelines and terms will outline the trading terms and the BotJok community rules. We do have community events. Inside the community events, it will show the events that are coming up. And up here on the top corner, you can click past to see all of the past events that we have created. The same applies for private community events. News and announcements. This is where we will announce anything that is new and up and coming within our community. ATA updates will be where we will post all of our critical or non-critical versions that are updated, as well as the details on the update. We do offer stocks and options trading. Options trading floor is where we will discuss all of our options trading. Options signals is where we will actually give out our signals. You can see here, this is the type of call that will come. It will tell you where to take your profits. And when we do hit our profit, we will talk about ITM, which is in the money. In here, we will have options trading courses. We are working on still building this one, but this one will be available shortly. Community discussion is where we have our open discussions within our community, where we talk about anything we want, market related or otherwise. Private trading channels is where we talk about specifically in the trading sector. And BTC signals as well as ETH signals are in the same format as our option signals. When we send out our signals, it will show the signal as well as the take profit lines. Same goes for Ethereum. Our ATA guidance is where we will put out guidance as far as directional trading that we are doing on our ATA, as well as some of the ATA setups that I am doing. Market Insight will talk about the overall market, whether it's market cap, BTC, Ethereum, stocks, etc. Trends and patterns will talk about where the trend is going and what are some potential patterns, bullish or bearish, that are starting to form. We have an open array of training courses that will help get you started under Training a Library. We have private training courses that will give you the more advanced setups that we use within our trading courses. Under the ATA courses, you will find all of our ATA training. When you click on the training courses, what you will see is a site that looks like this as I get past the admin parts. Once you get into here, this is how you will complete your courses and your training. You can click the video for the nice little welcoming video we do. These are the categories you will be focused on, and you scroll down to find all of the content that you need. If you're trying to create an account, deposit funds, or withdraw funds for any of the supported exchanges, you would simply click on the button below. The same applies for any of the training that we have. As you see the red hyperlink here, that is a link out to the video to help you understand that particular part that you were going through. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and exit out of the trainings. We can kick back over to our social media platforms. If you click on the links here, you'll notice it takes you straight to the links, and that will help you follow us for content. We have links such as the CK's TikTok, CK's Instagram, Nick's YouTube, Nick's TikTok, and Nick's Twitter. This just helps identify whose specific social media platform that you are following. I hope that helps you understand how to work with the community, how to maneuver around here. Everything you'll need to know will be on the left-hand side here. You just simply click. I encourage you to explore, click on the channels, and try to review the content and check out to see as far as what we offer within our community. So I do hope that helps you out in understanding the overall community platform for BotJok. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, you can always reach us at support@botjok.com.